As this Pune-based businessman counted down the days to his wedding, arranging surprises for his fiancée and dreaming of their future together, she was plotting his murder with her lover. On 18 June, Ketan Agarwal had gone trekking to Pune's Lohagarh Fort with Sia Goyal to celebrate her birthday. During the hike, Ketan plunged nearly 400 feet into the gorge and died. Sia initially told police it was an accident that he had lost his balance while they were taking photographs in strong winds. But as investigators began piecing together the events of that day, cracks started to appear in her story, raising suspicions that Ketan's fall may not have been an accident at all. This all began when the couple had announced their engagement in February with their wedding scheduled for November. 26-year-old Ketan was the son of a prominent construction businessman. His uncle said Sia initially wanted to postpone the wedding for a year. Police alleged that Sia was in a relationship with Chetan Babulal Chaudhary, whom she had met through business circles, and that the two viewed Ketan as an obstacle to their relationship. Investigators said this led to allegedly conspire to kill him. Police also found that Chetan had reached the fort before the couple arrived on 18th June. He subsequently followed them to an isolated spot where he and Sia pushed Ketan into the gorge, resulting in his death. With further investigation, police found that before the fatal trek, Ketan and Sia were supposed to travel to Bali for a pre-wedding photo shoot. But Ketan couldn't make it to the trip along with other family members after his passport went missing at Mumbai airport. An incident his father Vishal Agarwal later alleged was deliberate.
हमारे लिए भी एक बहुत बड़ा शॉकिंग है। अगर उसको शादी नहीं करनी थी तो सीधा उसने उसके माँ बाप को या हमको किसी चीज से इनकार कर देते, या जिस लड़के के साथ उसका जो भी अफेयर चल रहा है कहीं से भी एक फोटो हमको भेज देते तो भी हम कैंसिल कर देते.
The family also said that there was an earlier warning sign. 4 days before his death, Sia had allegedly pushed him at the same fort. He said Ketan survived by grabbing a bush, after which Sia warned him about the snake and hugged him. Days later, Ketan returned to the same fort. This time, police alleged that he did not come back alive. After his death, Sia shared an emotional Instagram story mourning Ketan and questioning his sudden loss. As of publishing, police arrested Sia and Chetan under relevant sections of the BNS for murder and criminal conspiracy. Both were taken into custody with further investigation underway.